Hey guys, welcome to yet another unboxing video, and this time, as you can see, we have the OnePlus Nord. Look at the packaging. It's quite different from the other OnePlus boxes that you usually get for its phones. They're big, they're large, and in fact quite long, but this one is compact and it's done differently as well. There's a nice blue and black color as part of the packaging. Let's unbox and see what's inside. So here we have the user manual. This is the phone this way, not as is written on the packaging. Yes, this is how the phone looks like. The display is quite bright. Of course, the touchpad is pretty smooth and very quick. The buttons, the power button and of course the volume buttons at this side. This is the power button, and of course if you want to put this on silent or you want it on ringer, these all are within the reach of your fingers. And look at this, how it fits in my palm. It's pretty snugly fit. Look at the back. In fact, it's a cool blue color. Really different from what OnePlus has usually done with its phones. Most of them usually come in dark tones, but this one is a really nice soothing powder blue. What else do you get in the box? Then of course there's a charger as well, the USB cable, and let me show you, this is the warp charger. Meanwhile, let's see what's in this box. So you get some, of course this is a welcome letter from Nord, and of course you get a phone cover as well, which is really great, so you don't have to go and hunt for a cover or you have to order a cover separately for yourself. And of course some booklets in here, some from OnePlus. Look at the packaging. It's really nicely done. It's slick and very edgy looking packaging. And there's a quick start guide, safety information guide, then you have a membership card as well that you've been given. Let's first go through the quick start guide. Guys, before you actually use your phone, it's very important that you quickly dive straight into the details that are given in this quick start guide. So it tells you all about how to use your phone. If you've never used a OnePlus model, this will actually help you how to use your phone. You must go through these two guides, the quick start guide and the safety information guide. So this is all that you get as part of the OnePlus packaging. And yes, of course, there is a SIM card ejector pin as well that's given in here. So this is all that you get as part of the OnePlus unboxing. Hey guys, Sumita Kareer here. Today I have with me the OnePlus Nord, and you know that there's been a lot of hype, a ton of hype around this mid-range or budget phone by OnePlus. But is it all pomp and show, or is it the real deal in smartphones? Here's my top 5 take on everything that you need to know about the OnePlus Nord. price, the camera, the performance, or the design. The camera is also one of the best features of the Nord. You've got this quad camera setup at the back. Like I said, it comes with a 48 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and 5 megapixel depth sensor, and a 2 MP camera. So a combination of all of these cameras will give you really great looking pictures. In fact, some of my videos I shoot using the Nord and the quality is great. And then you have the dual selfie cameras in front, which are 32 megapixel, and of course the 8 megapixel, which is the ultra wide. It captures really good details, skin tones, and HDR is handled pretty well in this phone. Performance wise and camera wise and all of that is fine. While powering the Nord is a 4115 mAh pretty good sized battery, comes with a warp charger. That means that it charges pretty quickly. It charges your phone in less than an hour. In fact, the warp charger comes with some of the other models as well. In this case, you can go from 0 to 93% in just half an hour, which is again impressive at this price range. And I used this for a day and a half, and I mean, it lasted me just that much. I played games, I watched videos, and did as much as I could. And this lasted me very well, and there were no performance issues as well. So in conclusion, robust hardware, good set of rear cameras, 30-watt fast charging, and lightweight. This is a great package overall, and certainly a kick-ass move by OnePlus to work towards the lower price models as well and capture a larger share of the market. And yes, it offers great value.